Good afternoon. I present a practical theoretical course of immunoinformatics and nanovaccines. This course has the objective of giving you tools that allow you to develop research projects. The intention of the course is to support you in concepts about immunogenic regions of proteins foreign to the human organism, such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and cancer. First, general concepts are addressed, which will take you by the hand in the management of computer tools. We will start with predictors of sequential epitopes and conformations, and once we have a series of epitopes using the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19 as an example, we will achieve docking of these epitopes on the major histocompatibility complexes 1 and 2 to identify the blending mode and get free energy values. In addition, we will finish by ensuring the peptides on duodenamers to use them as nanocarriers and then have a nanovaccine.